Do you want to give your guests exactly what they need at your next party? Time for another three-way.
These unusual baked Scotch eggs will be the centerpiece of any party or picnic, and there's no need for frying. The cheesy potato and bacon egg is perfect for an unusual brunch or breakfast. The nduja and pork is rich and spicy, perfect for an evening starter with salad. And the turkey, cranberry and stuffing is lighter and amazing for your turkey day, Christmas or festive occasion. All the recipes here make 6 large eggs, and all of them can be made in advance and kept in the fridge. Our first and last steps for all of the eggs are exactly the same. Boil the eggs in gently boiling water for 6 minutes and then transfer into an ice bath to cool completely before peeling. With the eggs really cold, the shells should come off easily, and do try not to damage the eggs. Here's what you're going to need for the cheesy potato and bacon egg. It's easy. Basically mix everything in the bowl, start off with a spoon but finish off with clean hands. They're perfect for making sure that the mix is blended properly. Don't forget the squeeze of lemon at the end, it really lifts the flavour. There are 2 basic methods for making the eggs. Sometimes with the potato being a bit stickier, it's easier to lay out a rectangle of plastic wrap and place a rectangle of the potato mix about half a centimetre thick in the middle. Place the egg in the centre. Bring the ends of the wrap together and twist so it compresses the potato around the egg and makes it into a ball. Alternatively, and easier, it's to smear the potato mixture onto your palm and fingers, press the egg into the middle of the mixture, make a gentle fist wrapping the mix around the egg. If you have any holes, just patch them up with a bit more mixture. These all will need to be wrapped in plastic wrap and put in the fridge for an hour or so just to firm up. Here's the ingredients for the next one. Now our next one is really simple. Mix the ingredients together and using a wet hand, smear the mix on your palm and fingers, place the egg in the centre and wrap the mix around the egg just like we did with the last one. The meat mixes are much easier to do this way. These don't need firming up, so they're now ready for breading. And the last set of ingredients, it's turkey time. Do 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 do, do do, don't sue me hammer. Exactly the same technique for this one. Mix, form, and they're ready for breading. Turn your oven onto 200 degrees C or 400 Fahrenheit, whichever floats your boat. One tip I have with using panko, they can look a bit anemic, so optionally you could pre-brown the panko in the oven for 15 minutes before putting them into the breading mixture. Mix the breading ingredients and, in a separate bowl, crack 4 eggs and mix well. The breading process is easy. Take your eggs, coat them all the way around in the egg, then coat completely in the breading mix. Put them on a lightly oiled tray ready for the oven, and before going in they need a light drizzle or spray with oil just to brown them up a little bit. In they go for 20 to 25 minutes. Once ready, let them cool for a while. You can enjoy these both warm or cold. So here you go, 3 different occasion finger food that will give your guests exactly what they need for your next party. Yeah, sorry. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and see what's cooking next. See you next time.